Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to learn the present participle form of the verbs. As I have mentioned earlier, that verbs are divided into four forms: present form, past participle and present participle. Today we are going to learn the three rules of the present participle, which are also known as ing words. Okay? Let's move on to the rule number 1. ing means the action which is happening in the present. If you take any word in which ing is there, for example, walking. Walking means that the person is walking right now. Presently, that action is going on. That is what we call ing verbs. Okay? Then the rule number 1. Rule number 1 is that you have to add ing to the verb to make it present participle. For example, eat is a verb जिसका मतलब होता है खाना. तो eat के साथ जब आप ing ऐड करोगे, it will become eating, which is the present participle. Similarly, walk, we will add ing to it and it will become walking. Now, many students get confused with this portion. This is very important, which is rule number 2, that if any verb is ending with E, you will remove the E with I. For example, make. Make is a verb जिसका मतलब है बनाना, make. Okay? Make, you are going to, it is ending with E. You are going to remove this E and replace it with I. Then you are going to add ing. It will become making. Many of you write the spellings like this: makeing. This is totally wrong. You have to remove this E part. Then the next one, game. It is also ending with E plus ing, gaming. Then shave. Shave is also a verb. You have to remove E from here and write I plus ing. Plus ing. And it will become shaving. Same is the case with bite. You have to remove E with I and then ing. It will become biting. You are not going to write like this. You have to remove the E part from there. Okay? Then the last one, rule number 3. You know very well, बच्चे, what are vowels? A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 vowels. Before the consonant. Consonants क्या होते हैं बेटा जो vowels नहीं होते हैं? Like A is a vowel, B is not a vowel. Then C is not a vowel. D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U. U is a vowel. V, W, X, Y and Z. So these are the consonants. Alright? जब consonant के पिछले वाला number vowel होगा, for example run, R-U-N, run. So N is the consonant here. So what are you going to do? You are going to double that word. You are going to repeat that word. R-U-N, run. Run is a verb. Okay, run is a verb. It is ending with N, which is a consonant, and before the consonant there is a vowel. So you are going to double that word. R-U-N plus N plus ing. It will become running. Then same for the clap. Clap is also a verb. P doubled plus ing, clapping. Then again slap is also a verb. P doubled, ing, slapping. Chop. Mother chops the vegetables na. Chopping means to cut. Chop, P doubled, ing, chopping. So these are some of the rules. Just go through them. I hope it is clear to you all. Thank you.